Navigating the Tech Way, Landmarks and Points of Interest. Hello learners, welcome back. Today, we are going to dive into an exciting and practical topic. Asking for and giving directions with technology, focusing on how we can utilize landmarks and points of interest to navigate our way. So, get ready to enhance your conversational English skills in a tech-savvy manner. When we talk about giving or receiving directions, landmarks and points of interest play a crucial role. These are distinct objects or features that help us recognize or locate a particular place. They can be anything from a tall skyscraper, a historical monument, or a popular store, to a distinctive tree or park. In this digital era, using landmarks and points of interest have become even more effective thanks to technology. Smartphone applications and online maps often highlight these important places to assist us in navigation. Recognizing and using these landmarks in your conversations about directions can greatly improve your communication effectiveness. Smartphone apps like Google Maps and Apple Maps are excellent tools to identify landmarks and points of interest. When you open these apps and zoom into a location, you'll often see icons or names for key places, like parks, museums, or large stores. When asking for directions, you might say, "Could you tell me how to get to the Eiffel Tower from here? What's the best route to Central Park on foot?" Similarly, when giving directions, you might say, "Go straight until you see the Big Ben on your right, then turn left. You will pass by the Statue of Liberty before reaching your destination." Remember, practice makes perfect, so let's get comfortable with these phrases. Now that we understand the basics, let's do a quick role play. Imagine you're a tourist in New York City. You want to visit the Metropolitan Museum of Art, but you're currently at Central Park and don't know the way. You might ask a local or use a virtual assistant, like Siri or Google Assistant. "How do I get to the Metropolitan Museum of Art from Central Park?" The response might be, "Head east on East 72nd Street towards 5th Avenue. The Metropolitan Museum of Art will be on your right." Remember to listen for those landmarks and points of interest in the response, as they can greatly help you in finding your way. That's all for today's lesson on using landmarks and points of interest when asking for and giving directions with technology. Remember, whether you're using a smartphone app or having a conversation, using landmarks can really enhance your understanding and communication of directions. I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson. Happy learning, everyone!